Today I'm going to be installing a sound system in the 740. It's going to be some nice tunes, you know. So I was just looking around and I have some radios in here. I got this one. This is real nice. We got this one here. This one's real nice. I have a Sony somewhere. Ah! This is what came out of the car. This very nice Sony. That's the 15. Turbos for days. So this is the sound system we got today. We got some wires here. We got these speakers, Bluetooth amp stuff. Alright, so this is the head unit, which I would like to install. Those are the tweeters. And we got the amp.
These are like mid-range.
I like this radio, and I can plug in aux.
That might be like a center speaker or something.
So we're just gonna stick this right here. That looks great. You think? Just stick that in right there. That looks just fine. What's this? Dude, Summit Racing? Bro, dude, it's a turbo. Dude, this is starting to sound very complicated. I don't think we can do this.
It's not even that bad. Though.
Bro, what do you mean? This is awful. We have to like do stuff?
Alright, of course I would need my... I don't want to stop.
Alright, bro. Let's just roll with this.